Good evening everyone again. Tonight I want to show you how to fix the error which we are getting from Photoshop, Adobe Photoshop. Disk is full error, and I'm going to show you the most simple way in order to get fixed and proceed with your projects easily. First of all, we get the shortcut of Adobe Photoshop on our desktop here, and we click twice, and as soon as we click twice we press the keys on our keyboard, the Control and Alt together. As you can see now, we are scratch disk preferences, and the free disk is for our C is 15 gigabytes, which most probably is going to give the error of disk is full. We are selecting the D drive, which we have the most disk space on it, and we press OK. And then we wait the program to start. The second way is to go to Edit, select Preferences, then go to General, and go to here. We're gonna find the disk. The scratch disks, and if it select the C drive, which is the last one, you're gonna select the second drive, which we have the most free space on it. And on our D drive I have 1 terabyte and 73 gigabytes of free space. That's why I select the D drive, and then I click OK, and then I'm free to go, and I get no error in the future, and I can freely proceed with my projects. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video and you want to see more of this, please hit the like button, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you on my next tutorial. Bye.